Namaskar, beautiful people. Namaskar is the traditional way of greeting in India, which is done by joining the hands at chest level and uttering a greeting like Namaskar, Namaste, Namaskaram, or Namaskara. While saying Namaste, the palms are joined together and the thumbs are held close to the chest. This is also called as Anjali Mudra or Pranam Asana. Namaste literally means I bow to you. The word Namaskar can be broken into Nama plus Sakar. This means I offer respect to you because you are the visible personification of divinity, or I bow to divinity immanent in you. Namaskar is versatile because it can be used in verbatim in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, or in the night. It is acceptable in happiness as well as grief. It is used as a salutation while meeting and greeting as well as valediction while parting or farewell. In Telugu, they say Namaskar Mulu. In Kannada, they say Namaskara Gulu. In Malayalam, they say Namaskaram. In Bengali, they say Namaskar. In Assamese, they Namaskar. In Punjabi, they say Sat Sri Akal. In Tamil, they say Vanakkam. In Marwari, they say Kama Ganesha. All of these mean I bow to the divine in you. The word Namaskar and the gesture of joining the hands are done simultaneously or singularly. According to Sanatan Dharma or Indian culture, we believe one should not unnecessarily touch strangers as energy always flows from the positive to negative. Namaskar and joining of hands conveys respect without disturbing your fields as well as that of others. There is another advantage of Namaskar when influenza or viral fevers are in the air. We are coming across in the newspapers carrying do's and don'ts issued in public interest. One of the instruction is to avoid touching strangers, and Namaskar fits the bill here. In Bhagavad Puran, Sukdev ji says that when Uddhav meets Vidur, their Namaste generated a lot of happiness. As we have a saying, चार मिले 64 खिले 20 रहे कर जोड़ हरिजन से हरिजन मिले 20 से 7 करोड़, which means that when two good people meet, their eyes see each other. That is चार मिले. That is, they have two eyes of each person. That becomes 4. Both of them smile with their 32 teeth each. That is 64 khile. That is 64. They join 10 fingers each. That is 20 rahe kar jod. 10 fingers of one person, 10 fingers of another. That becomes 20. That is 20. So much is the happiness is generating by their meeting. That is Harijan se Harijan mile. That the 3.5 lakh hair follicles each in the bodies of both stand on end due to elation.